Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube Premium payment method on either iPhone or Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your YouTube application and then basically from here click onto user profile, and then we want to scroll down and click onto premium benefits. Now inside of premium benefits you can see your stats about how many ad-free videos you've been played, background play, etc. But what we need to look for is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and click on manage your membership. Now you're going to see your membership and channels here, so you can see here I've got an active YouTube Premium here, so we need to click onto that. Then from there it's going to say recommended upgrades. We can upgrade them, but they don't give you a option here to change your card. But if we look above that, we've got payment method. We can manage this in Google Play, so if you click onto that, now inside of here we've got primary payment method. This is my payment method, so we can go ahead and click on update here. Now I've got a lot of different cards in here, so if we scroll down here, that's mainly because I'm terrible at keeping bank cards. I tend to lose them. All right, then from here we can go ahead and add payment method to your Google account. So go ahead and click on add credit card and debit card and basically go through the prompts here. It's a black screen because it's a privacy issue, and then save your card, and that's going to use that card to pay for your future premium YouTube payments.